Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert or import a PowerPoint presentation slide into Google Slides. This tutorial will be a very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow tutorial so that anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, you're a beginner or even a first timer in using this software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now as you can see, I'm currently in a Google Slides file, and what if I would like to transfer a slide from a PowerPoint presentation into this Google Slides file, like so. As you can see, currently I have imported a sample PowerPoint presentation into our Google Slides file, and now you may wonder how I did that, and it's actually pretty quick to do, simple, and it will make our lives easier. Now to import a slides, all you have to do is to head over to your Google Slides file, and now as you can see on our upper panel, we have the different tabs that we can choose from under the file name. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using, either you are on Mac or on Windows like me, is completely up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors if we do so. Now to import that file, all I have to do is to click on the File tab right over here and click on Import Slides, which is the third option from the top. And now as you can see, we have different options to choose from. You can either upload it directly from your drive, shared with me, or the most common one, which is the upload, which will open the directory on your computer in which your PowerPoint slide is located. Now click on Browse, and now as you can see, it will open up a tab in which this is the directory in my computer. Now all you have to do is to locate the PowerPoint slide on your computer, in which in my case is this one, and click on Open. Wait for it to upload. This might take a while, especially if your slides contains a lot of media, a lot of picture or videos, and the file size is generally just too big. But eventually you will have this preview of the slides in your Google Slides software. Now all you have to do at this point is to select the slides that you would like to import. Let's say for example you only want to upload slides 1, 2, and 3, then you can just select those and import slides. Now if you would like to select all of those, all you have to do is to click on Select All Slides, which is this option, so you don't have to click on it manually one by one. Click on it once, and as you can see, it selects all of the slides in this preview. Now if you are satisfied with the slides that you would like to import, just click on the Import Slides button right over here and wait for it to import. And now as you can see right here on my left side, I already have the preview to the PowerPoint slides that we have just imported in our Google Slides file. As simple as that, you can transfer your file to your Google Slides software as quick as that. Now if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.